what if I told you there's a cheap white powder in your kitchen that can save you money, make your home cleaner, and even improve your daily routine? Most people use it once in a while and forget about it, but when you see what it can really do, you'll never look at that box the same way again. Today we're talking about baking soda. And no, this isn't just about baking cookies. This simple ingredient has been around for generations, and people used it long before fancy cleaning sprays and expensive products existed. The problem is most of us only know one or two uses and completely ignore the rest. In a world where we spend money on dozens of products for small problems, baking soda quietly solves many of them on its own. From the kitchen to the bathroom to your daily habits, it can make life easier in ways that actually work. So let's break down 9 baking soda hacks that are practical, proven, and surprisingly useful. The first hack starts with something everyone deals with: bad smells. Whether it's your fridge, shoes, or trash can, odors can build up fast. Baking soda works because it doesn't just cover smells, it neutralizes them. Place an open box in the fridge, sprinkle some in shoes overnight, or add a spoon to the bottom of your trash bin. This works because baking soda balances out acidic odors instead of masking them with perfume. That's why it's still used in refrigerators decades later. It's simple, cheap, and you don't need a scent and spray that mixes with the smell and makes it worse. The second hack is about cleaning greasy messes without harsh chemicals. If you've ever struggled to clean a stove, sink, or greasy pan, baking soda can help. Sprinkle it on the surface, add a little water to make a paste, and gently scrub. The mild grit helps lift grease without scratching. This is especially useful if you're trying to reduce chemical cleaners at home. Baking soda doesn't have a strong smell and it's safe for most surfaces. It's one of those old school tricks that still beats modern products in many situations. Hack number 3 is for your teeth, and this one surprises a lot of people. Baking soda has been used in toothpaste for a reason. Once or twice a week, you can mix a small pinch with water and gently brush your teeth. It helps remove surface stains and leaves your mouth feeling clean. This doesn't replace regular toothpaste, but it can be a helpful add-on. The key is moderation, not daily heavy use. Think of it like a gentle polish, not something you overdo. The fourth hack is for heartburn and acid discomfort. Baking soda can help neutralize stomach acid when used carefully. Many people mix a small amount in water for temporary relief. This is one of those old remedies people passed down long before antacids were common. That said, this should be used occasionally, not daily. It's helpful in a pinch, but it's not meant to be a long-term habit. Listening to your body always comes first. Hack number 5 is a favorite for people who cook a lot. Baking soda can help tenderize meat. Adding a small amount to meat before cooking helps break down tough fibers, making it softer and easier to chew. This is especially helpful for cheaper cuts of beef or chicken. The trick is to use very little and rinse it off before cooking. When done right, the meat stays juicy without tasting strange. Restaurants have used this trick for years, even if they don't talk about it. The sixth hack is all about your skin. Baking soda can work as a gentle exfoliant when mixed with water or a mild cleanser. Rubbing it lightly on your skin can help remove dead skin cells and leave your face feeling smoother. Many people use it on elbows, knees, or feet. Again, this is not an everyday thing. Once in a while is enough. Skin is sensitive, and less is more when it comes to natural exfoliation. Hack number 7 helps with laundry. Baking soda can boost your regular detergent and help remove odors from clothes. Adding half a cup to your wash helps break down sweat smells, especially in gym clothes and towels. It also helps keep whites brighter over time. This works well if you're trying to cut back on fabric softeners or strong laundry scents. Clothes come out fresher without that heavy perfume smell. The 8th hack is a lifesaver for clogged drains. Before reaching for harsh drain cleanings, try baking soda and vinegar. Pour baking soda down the drain, add vinegar, and let it fizz. Follow with hot water after a few minutes. This won't fix major plumbing issues, but it works great for slow drains caused by grease and buildup. Plus, it's safer for your pipes and better for the environment. Finally, hack number 9 is about foot care. After a long day, feet can feel tired and smell unpleasant. Adding baking soda to warm water and soaking your feet can help soften skin and reduce odor. It's a simple way to feel refreshed without fancy products. Many people do this once a week as part of their self-care routine. It's cheap, relaxing, and surprisingly effective. Here's the big reveal most people don't realize. Baking soda works so well because it balances pH levels, and that matters more than we think. Many odors, stains, and discomforts come from things being too acidic or too greasy. Baking soda quietly restores balance instead of fighting symptoms with strong chemicals. That's why it shows up in cleaning, personal care, cooking, and even wellness routines. One simple product does the job of 10 others when you understand how to use it properly, and that's what makes it such a powerful everyday tool. So let's recap this in an easy way. Baking soda removes odors, cleans grease, supports oral care, helps with occasional acid discomfort, tenderizes meat, exfoliates skin, boosts laundry, clears drains, and refreshes tired feet. One box, endless uses, and very little cost. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video because it really helps the channel. Subscribe for more simple health, home, and wellness tips that actually work. And now I want to hear from you. Which baking soda hack surprised you the most, and have you tried any of these before?